Mm. A huge beach and just few people. It's Friday afternoon, that's why nobody's here. People are at work, and to come here it's not free. You have to, if you don't have the pass, you have to pay, I think, $20 per car. So it's beautiful. I think the first time I came here was 5 years ago, and I can't remember when was the last one. And we usually go to Hokina, and then the kids don't like it anymore there because it's getting crowded, and so we try this one since we have the card, so we can come in for free. I think you can purchase that card. I don't know what's called. It's for the what is that? For the parks here in the USA. Forget. So you can go to the parks for free if you have that card. Just me and the coffee. Charot. Kids in the car. And the kids are still finding crabs and fish. What happened? She got shoes inside the she got shoes inside the sand. She got sand inside the shoes. You want banana? We have to go back there and eat banana. And their clothes are over there. I will get the banana. Their stuff is just scattered all over the place. Wala daw tao eh. You're trying to lift the rock? Ad, sure gonna hurt your back. I'm gonna get banana. You have to wear shoes or slippers when you're walking around kasi the lava rocks. Look at that.
Over there. No crab.
I'm gonna get banana.
Find crab.
You guys stay there. You stay there. I'm gonna get banana. Ad, you want banana?
Okay.
Mom, what did you say?
I'm gonna get banana.
Yeah.
You stay there. Okay. Banana. Oh, ang init. I should have wear my slippers. Three, four. Isn't that pretty?